All right, it's Friday, December 13th, just following up on CrowdStrike. I had a break even on this trade. I discussed on the first couple of videos how I bought it here at this middle blue line. That was on the 15-minute chart on bar number 3 that was breaking up above that inside bar, expecting to take out the highs of the day, which it did. I scaled out on the way up. It took out the highs of the day and then had a big reversal and came down. So I exited the rest of the trade here at the lower blue line. So overall, pretty much a break-even trade. So again, bought the stock at 367.85. I described how I scaled out at 369. I had an order in to sell at my next target at 371.25. But when it came down to break even, I exited at 366.91. So overall, kind of break even trade. That's the way it goes sometimes. In the bigger picture, we're going to see on the daily chart, if in compound fashion we kind of hold the midpoint of this bar and still work up towards this high. We're at the top of a range here, so we'll see how this day ends up. If it becomes a shooter bar, then maybe there's a sell signal going into next week, but that's hard to say. The overall trend certainly up and just kind of pausing. It's a logical area to kind of people, think they're selling at resistance up here. Eventually, I still think it's heading higher, but, in terms of opening price action, you just got to use risk management and, we're still kind of holding the midpoint of that first bar. It's very choppy. Obviously, we're up on the day above the pre-market highs, above yesterday's high. So it's just, one of those volatile kind of openings here that, you sensed that there was high probability you were going to take out the highs of the day. You wanted to see an orderly pause here and continue up towards the next target. In this case, deeper pullback. So, you never know what's going to happen for sure. So exiting a break even.